there, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to be walking you through how to upload a Teachers Pay Teachers product. And before I start, I do want to mention that if you've never created your own product, if you don't know how to create a credit page, a cover page, I do have some very quick tutorials in my YouTube channel that will help you out with that. I walk you through how to create your own worksheets, and I also walk you through how to create that cover page and that credit page for your product that you need. So I will link both of these videos in the description if you're interested, and let's dive into this video. So once you are completely done with your product, I am in PowerPoint. I have not saved my product as a PDF, and you absolutely want to save your product as a PDF. And the number one reason is for copyright reasons. You want to make sure, especially if you are using any type of clip art, that you protect that clip art by securing it in a PDF file. When you are using clip art in your product, that clip art is under copyright use, and part of the copyright rules is for you to secure that clip art and not to allow other people to just copy and paste it into their own products. So saving your PowerPoint file as a PDF is very easy. We are going to go over to File, Save As, scroll down to PDF. I'm going to keep the same file name of this product and save it. Now I am going into my Teachers Pay Teachers store. I am already signed in, so I'm going to go down to my product listings. We're going to add a new product, and this is going to be a single file, single digital download. So I'm going to click that option, and I am going to upload the file first. So here is my file, and the same way that I saved my file name is the same way that I'm going to title my product. My file is uploaded. Now I'm going to go down to the product previews. I do not upload my own thumbnails. I just use these auto-generated thumbnails, but I am going to pick which ones are showing up. And the way that you do that is click to see all thumbnails, and I don't want my credit page to show. I'm going to drag this one up, this one off. So I want to illustrate an example of what the diagram pages look like and one example of what the writing templates look like. So I'm just going to keep these three thumbnails. When I create my credit page, I know that it's going to show up as my main thumbnail, and I always like to keep it simple, and I like to show examples of what is within my product. So I made sure to use some keywords. My product includes 6 diagram templates and 6 writing templates. And I also illustrated the 6 insects that it includes. So now we're going to go down to Done. If you want to upload your own thumbnails, you would click here on Upload Thumbnails Now. Or if you want to do that later, you could also do that. But I do not recommend for you to upload your thumbnails later. Just do everything at once so that your product is live and ready to go. The next part is coming up with the description. Now for your description, you want to make sure that you are describing how your product can be used in the classroom. How are students going to use this product? So now that I have finished my description about my product, I can also go ahead and link back to my Instagram if I would like to, which I don't typically do. I actually typically link back to YouTube videos if it relates somehow, but I will give you an example of how you can link back to other products if you want to recommend other products. I have a very similar product, but my other product is Arctic and polar animals. It's the same type of format. I have graphic organizers and I have writing templates. So I'm going to link back to this product. So I'm just going to copy and paste my other title product and then highlight. And I'm going to click here, go back and copy and paste my link. And now I will add in the link target. So now when anybody clicks on this, it's going to take them to this resource page. Now, as far as pricing, this did not take me very long to create, and it's not a big file, it's not a big product. So I'm just going to list it at $2. If you are creating a free resource, you would simply click up here. And I usually don't mess with the multiple licenses. I just leave that as is. For the tax code, this is an electronic download. And I would recommend this product for lower elementary, so kinder, first, and second grade. This is definitely a science product, informational text. Resource type would be a graphic organizer. I'm not going to click anything for custom category. You can also pick specific standards that your product addresses. I am in Texas, so we use the TEKS. Now that I picked out some TEKS, some standards, I'm going to scroll down. I have a total of 12 pages for this product. And I am using clip art and special fonts, so I'm going to click on the option that I attest that I have used all of this copyrighted material and it is non-infringing. And that is it. Now I can make my product live. So this is what you're going to see when you have finished your product. You can always go back and edit your listing if you want to change your description or the title of your product. It would simply take you back to the same page. Or if you upgrade your product or make any changes, you would just remove it and re-upload what the new file that you want to upload. And then you can also include a little note if it's like a big change so that people that have already bought the product know what the new file includes. Click here and notify buyers that you updated this product. And like I said, let me close this one out. But if I click there, it will link back to this product. That is it, y'all. I really hope that this tutorial was helpful to you. And please let me know what other kinds of tutorials you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.